Welcome to our LiLi cooking channel, where culinary delights come to life. Get ready to embark on a mouth-watering journey through a world of flavors, techniques, and irresistible recipes. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner in the kitchen, our channel is your ultimate destination for inspiration, education, and pure gastronomic pleasure. Join us as we explore the art of cooking from scratch, sharing our passion for creating delicious meals that will tantalize your taste buds. From classic comfort foods to exotic international dishes, we're here to ignite your culinary creativity and help you master the secrets of the kitchen. Ingredients: 2 pounds, 900 grams, beef chuck roast, cut into chunks. 1 onion, chopped. 3 cloves garlic, minced. 1 jalapeno pepper, seeded and minced, optional. 1 cup beef broth. 1 cup salsa, your preferred level of spiciness. 1 tablespoon chili powder. 1 teaspoon cumin. 1 teaspoon paprika. Half teaspoon salt. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. Fresh cilantro, chopped, for garnish, optional. Instructions: in a large skillet or Dutch oven, heat the vegetable oil over medium-high heat. Season the beef chunks with salt and pepper. Add the beef chunks to the skillet and brown them on all sides. Work in batches if necessary to avoid overcrowding the pan. Remove the browned beef from the skillet and set it aside. In the same skillet, add the chopped onion and minced garlic. Cook for about 3 to 4 minutes, or until the onion becomes translucent and the garlic is fragrant. Stir occasionally to prevent burning. If desired, add the minced jalapeno pepper to the skillet with the onion and garlic. Cook for an additional 1 to 2 minutes to soften the jalapeno. Return the browned beef chunks to the skillet with the onion mixture. In a small bowl, mix together the beef broth, salsa, chili powder, cumin, and paprika. Stir well to combine. Pour the salsa mixture over the beef chunks in the skillet. Stir everything together until the beef is coated with the salsa mixture. Bring the mixture to a simmer. Once it simmers, reduce the heat to low. Cover the skillet with a lid and let the beef cook on low heat for 2 to 3 hours, or until it becomes tender and easily shreds with a fork. Stir occasionally during the cooking process to prevent sticking. Once the beef is tender, use 2 forks to shred it directly in the skillet. Mix the shredded beef with the salsa mixture. Taste the beef and adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper if needed. Let the beef simmer for an additional 10 to 15 minutes to allow the flavors to meld together. Once the beef is done, remove the skillet from the heat. Serve the tender salsa beef as a filling for tacos, burritos, or as a topping for rice or salads. Garnish with fresh chopped cilantro, if desired. Enjoy your delicious homemade tender salsa beef.